I know I'm not showing enough of how much I'll depend.
In the time we used to do with Mama Hellen, she will not be there again tomorrow. If you really have fun, she will not pick it. If you go to her house, she will not be there tomorrow. If you write her a letter, she will not respond. And so because of this separation, we feel a lot of pain in our hearts, the pain of separation. But then, St. Paul says, we who are alive, we need to know about the fate of those who have died, so that we do not grieve like unbelievers, so that we do not grieve like pagans, but we should grieve or be sorrowful or mourn the death of Hellen like Christians.
Te amo, te quiero, yo te amo, I love you more than my words portray. Nakupenda, niyakutanda,
about this family. As you get the investors out of but this guy, he make it almost the way I'm going to say it. But I'm going to say one thing about this. I want to talk about this girl first. And as a good أول حاجة الأسرة ولا البنية. I'm so proud of you. هم مبسوط بيك كتير جدا جدا. This girl, البنية ده. No, you say in English because you don't speak Juba Arabic. It's I know, but this girl, actually this ladies over there. أول يوم هم وصلوا في أمريكا هنا. The first day that they arrived to the United States here. في حاجة ونسوقا الناس بيحبوا بلد بدون. It mentioned that people they love their culture, they love their country. كنا قاعدين نعمل حاجة اسمه summer camp. They were conducting a summer camp أو معسكرات بتاع الصيف ده. ده كان ماما فلورنس وأنا ودومينيك. These are the group ماما فلورنس, Dominic and himself. كنا بنعمل مباراة بتاع كرة قدم بين بنات وأولاد. And they were doing like soccer games, you know, like between girls and boys. يوم بيجي بيقولوا مباراة بين السودان Somalia, and they wanted to say that one day there was a game between Sudan and Somali children. Are you gonna see these girls, these ladies here? Yes, salam. Yes. Lucy. Lucy. Night. Go for. Please, can you stand? You don't know, you know, she's full with passion whether she play defense or offense. At that time, you know, like as United Sudan, she was just like having a spirit and zeal for the country. بعدين في كله هم بدأ بيعملوا بونس للناس تعالش بالكيف بتاعنا. يا بتاعنا اللي كان في السمر بتاع الصومالي هم يجروا ما نقولوا في السمر. And started to recruit even other kids from other, you know, countries, even the Somali kids to come and join our camp to be with us. عشان هم كانوا بيحبوا البلد بتاعهم. Because they love their country so much. ترى حاجة ده بس ما جاء منهم. And this is did not come from them. هو جاي من المرض. It came from from the mama, the mother.
No,